Hi guys, welcome back. Let's merge videos quickly and easily. So there's an online platform where you can use it to, combine the videos, which is CapCut. It's not only an editing program on your PC, but it's also an online, video editing platform. So CapCut, enter, and then click on the CapCut, website, and then afterwards head over to try CapCut Online. And then click on upload. Hold on. And then click on upload, and then click on upload file to upload the videos. For example, you want to upload this first, and then just insert the videos. I want to insert 3 of the motion graphic videos that I've done. And then you have to wait until the videos are fully uploaded to CapCut, depending on your internet connection. And then when you're done, insert this video by clicking on this one. Click on the plus symbol to add the video into your timeline, and then click on it when you're done, and then drag it to the right so that it's shown right after this video. And then finally drag this one just like so, and now it's all set. So you've merged all of the videos online quickly and easily. So the dimensions of the video will be depending on the dimensions of the first video, which is this one, 1080p. So that's how you can do it. Thank you for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao. And then you can even play it